Hey guys, today I am going to start what is a React class component. React class component is a way to define components using ES6 classes. It was the traditional way to write component before React hook were introduced in version 16.8. Basic structure. Key features: must extend React.component or component. Use a render method to return JSX. Can manage state and use life cycle method. Example with state lifecycle method only in class component. Component did mount, component did update, component will unmount. Let's start the code. Class my component extend component render method. Every class component must have a render method. This method return JSX. What do you want the component to show on the screen? Return h1 hello from class component. Import component. Output is hello from class component. This defines a new class component called my component. Extend inherit from React component class, which give it access to feature like render method, state and lifecycle method. This line import React and the component class from the React library. Component is the base class used to create class based component. Thanks for watching this video.